Hello! In this video, I'll explain the most common mistakes drivers make when using automatic transmission vehicles and how you can avoid them. If you're new to driving an automatic transmission, avoiding these mistakes will ensure a safe and comfortable ride. Leaving the vehicle in N position on a slope. Some drivers put the vehicle in N or neutral gear while waiting on a hill. This damages the vehicle and is unsafe. The correct thing to do is to always keep the vehicle in D gear and the brake pedal depressed. Shifting gears while moving. Shifting from D to R or P while the vehicle is moving can cause serious damage to the transmission. Remember, the vehicle must be completely stopped before shifting gears. Starting on a hill by just pressing the gas pedal. Some drivers release the brake on hills and just step on the gas. This strains the transmission. The correct method is to use the handbrake or hill start assist. Leaving the parking brake engaged in the P position for an extended period. When parking the vehicle, simply putting it in P causes the vehicle's weight to bear down on the transmission. Always apply the parking brake first, then put it in P, keeping your foot on the brake pedal. Constantly pressing the brake while waiting in traffic can annoy the driver behind you and wear out the brake pads. During long stops, it is better to put the vehicle in N position and apply the handbrake. Yes, these were the most common mistakes made with automatic transmission vehicles. By avoiding these mistakes, you can extend the life of your vehicle and enjoy a safer driving experience. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for new videos.